set up your GitHub account. You've also set up two-factor authentication. It's time to go into the real application for the GitHub Student Developer Pack. So you click on your profile icon here and go to settings. It's preferable you are using Chrome browser. So you click billing and licensing, scroll down a bit and click education benefits. Yeah, so when you click education benefits, you can set your browser in desktop mode, but I'll just keep going. So you click start an application, you scroll down, you click student because you're a student, except you're a teacher. Now, when I was creating this GitHub account, I used a student email. So it detected my school automatically. If you've not created an account before, I'll suggest you create with your school email if you have one. If you have one. So it detected my school already, but you can try other schools. You can try University of Lagos. Let me see. Yes, University of Lagos, Lagos State University. Let's try another school. Let's try a polytechnic. Whoa, you can see it there. Yaba College of Technology. Let's try another school. Let's try OEU. Obafemi Awolowo University is there. So whatever your school is, just type it. Before you finish typing it, you're going to find it there. So my own, the school I'm using is already selected here. So I'll just go ahead and select this school. Then I'll share my location, which is very important. They want to know if you are a student. So you grant permission, allow while using the sites, give permission, and that's it. Sometimes it might take time. Okay, it might take time. Just be patient and wait for it to detect your location. Then you can continue. So now the next thing is to choose the type of document you'll be using. So there are so many documents you can choose from. You can use your school ID card, you can use your transcripts, you can use your admission letter. So the most important thing is the date. So they want to show that you are currently in school and they also want to see the year you'll be graduating. So you can use your school syllabus, you can use your class schedule, that's your timetable for the semester. You can use a scholarship or financial aid letter, just anything that proves that you're a student. Or even look at the last one, a simple screenshot of your school portal. So these things are valid evidence that you're a student, and that's what they need. So for this, I'm just going to use School ID. So the reason why I'm using a phone now is because I'm going to use my camera. I cannot do that on a laptop. So I have the ID card ready. So I'm just going to upload it now. I'll pause the video and I'll come back after I've uploaded it. Just make sure the document you're uploading is clear, very, very clear. And if they reject your application, read the error message or whatever it is, the reason why you were rejected, then you try again. So I'm just going to upload my documents now. So now this is a common issue. So the GitHub is saying I'm not around school, so which is a very common issue.